Ucreate is a highly professional and 19 years experienced PCB, PCBA, and components manufacturer who can offer one-stop service from PCB designing, manufacturing to PCB assembling, testing, and housing. We had 4 automatic SMT lines, advanced Hitachi screen printer, Fuji NXT II SMT machines, Fuji SPF-L module SMT machines, X-ray machine, BGA inspection. Our factory can produce 10,000 square meters per month. All products comply with ISO, RoHS, UL, IETF. Currently, we have over 6,000 customers spread over more than 30 countries. We believe that Ucreate will develop better and better with your participation.